Hello mga ka-friendship, this is Mimi Panya and welcome back to my channel on Mimi's Cooking. For today, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung apat na very easy and very healthy salad. The farm salad, avocado and chips with hot sauce, mozzarella fresh, Vietnamese smoked salmon roll. But before I start, I have to shout out to my special Bernie Bear in my life who always support with strong spiritual and encourage me to post everything behind all these journeys. I really appreciate it and thank you so much, my bear, and I love you and you know that. So ito ang ating mga ingredients sa ating salad, but take note, this is already washed off cam. So i-prepare at i-arrange lang natin sa ating serving plate ang ating oaklettuce, beetroots, ang ating grapefruit, avocado, and walnuts. Arrange lang natin siya para maganda siya tingnan. So, ang ating sauce, mix lang natin ang ating lemon, strawberry jam. If wala kayong strawberry jam, pwede din honey, olive oil, salt, and black pepper. Just mix it and spread on the top of your salad. And that's it. As you can see, very nice and very healthy. The next is avocado with chips with hot sauce. Just arrange your lettuce, romain, avocado, red radish, white onion slice, and chips. Any chips, either Doritos or tortilla chips, it's fine. Yes, looks healthy. So, ang ating sauce, i-mix lang natin sa ating blender. Just put olive oil, lemon, garlic, chili, parsley, salt and black pepper, and blend. See, it's green. And just spread on the top of your salad. And it's ready. Looks so healthy. So the next is mozzarella fresh. This is very easy. Just arrange your mozzarella fresh, sliced tomato, and basil leaves. Then add your olive oil and put some side avocado or carrots is fine. Our next is Vietnamese salmon roll. So slice thin long your cocumber, your carrots, and avocado, and your oaklettuce. It's fine, oaklettuce or lettuce romaine, no problem. So while I'm doing this, I have to shout out my friendship, Miss Loisa, Miss G, and Miss Giselle. Just chop your chili for the sauce, for dipping sauce, chili and garlic, and some carrots, shredded carrots. Just put on your bowl and shredded your carrots. Not much, like 1 spoon only. Then put sugar, fish sauce, and add water. If you want sticky, you can add cornstarch. Then dip your rice paper 1 or 2 minutes. It depends on your brand. Then arrange your oaklettuce, your sliced cucumber, the sliced carrots, and avocado. Then roll and put your smoked salmon, and roll it and close it. And repeat all the same procedure until your ingredients is done. And thank you guys. This is all for today. Just easy and very quick salad. If you want a healthy lifestyle, you can watch this video. Maganda po ito sa mga nagda-diet or sa mga overweight. Just try this one. This is good for diet really. Thank you guys, and I hope you like it. I hope you can subscribe and likes and hit the bell button so para updated ka sa aking mga new videos. Thank you guys, and have a good day and have a blessed everyone.